Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Open Settings, then go to Update and Security to manage Windows Update functions. Select Pause Updates for up to 35 days to stop automatic installs temporarily. Then choose Change Active Hours and set the hours you use the PC daily. Windows will avoid restarts during those hours and will not force an update. When you want updates, return to Settings and click Check for updates to install them on your schedule. Press Windows key plus R and type Services, MSC to open Services. Find Windows Update, right-click, then select Properties to change startup type. Choose Disabled and click Stop to halt the service immediately. Click Apply and OK to save the setting so updates will not install on shutdown. Remember that disabling the service blocks all automatic updates and can increase security risk. Reopen services later and set startup type to manual or automatic to restore updates. Press Windows key plus R and type gpedit, MSC to open local group policy editor if available. Navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Windows Update, then Configure Automatic Updates. Enable the policy and choose Option 2 to notify for download and notify for install. If gpedit, MSC is unavailable, open Registry Editor and create or edit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.